So 85cc class per seat here at Iriga City. So nandyan sa harap ako Olip Salonga.
So number 30 is leading.
So, sino guys?
Number 2 second.
Hindi ko kilala yung iba dito guys. Rio!
Fourth is Kurt Lau Santos.
Ay! Bakbaka na naman with a girl!
Si Leon.
Gandang naman ito guys. Nagpangako na naman sa harap ako versus Rio Remulacio dito sa Iriga City.
Last category, you will be finishing 4 laps.
Ayan! Binitawa na! Who's got the whole shot? Whole shot by Zaira Paco! Wow! Nagpang-abot na naman itong dalawa guys!
Hindi, ang ganda ng laban.
Zaira Paco versus Rio Remulacio! Wow! Olip Salonga on third! Wow, wow, wow! Ayan! Wow! Leading edge Zaira Paco. Ayun no? Wow.
Sa ganitong outdoor
Zaira Paco versus
si Rio, mabilis dito.
Rio Remulacio. Wow.
Stay go down. Go down din sa
Rio on second.
all the way from Cambrai.
Ayun no? Parang naiwan si Rio.
TikTok sensation.
Zaira Paco on the lead guys, 485cc. Ayun no? Hala. Rio. Rio on second. Wow, grabe.
Zaira Paco still leading.
La Rio short. Oh. Ayun no?
Zaira is from all the way.
Grabe ka talaga bata ka. Wow. Naiwan na si Rio. Iniwan ni Zaira Paco si Rio Remulacio. Wow, grabe. Rio habol. Ayun no. Oh, grabe. Wow. Grabe. Nag-break away na Zaira Paco guys. Ayun no. Wow, wow, wow. Downhill by Zaira Paco. Olip Salonga on third. Ayun no. Wow, 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 wow. And, wow. Rio Remulacio on second. Downhill by Zaira Paco. Unti-unti na lumalayo Zaira Paco guys. Wow. Grabe finish line. Ah! Woohoo! Grabe ka talaga bata ka. Outside. Ayun no. Grabe. Inubos ni Zaira Paco ang lakas ng 150. Oh. Rio. Ayun no. Wow. Ayun, Rio Remulacio. Nag-break away na Zaira Paco guys. Wow. Grabe. Grabe, grabe. Oh, ho, ho. Saira pa ako for downhill. Wow. Overlap, overlap. Rio on second. Grabe. Ang lakas. Parang naghahabol ng magnanakaw. White flag. White flag by Zaira Paco. Wow. Grabe ka talagang bata ka. Zaira Paco kanina pa ng breakaway. Ayun o. Wow. Grabe. Rio second. Wow. Ayun o. Buto-buto ba?
Manage to slip ahead of
Wow. Rio. Grabe.
Abis na tayo sa matatapos na po tayo sa
Rio on second. Olive Salonga on third. Waiting for checkered flag for the Batang Agila ng Mindanao. Zaira Paco. Ayun o. Wow. Checkered flag. Grabe.
Congratulations, the rider from Zamboanga. Zaira Paco for winning
Second.
Happy Father's Day po. Very proud daddy naman talaga.
Rio Remolacion second.
Okay, congratulations sa ating 85cc winners.
Ayun.
Up next,
Bang.
also weighted category for the Mono 1 and Tatawid.
So third is Olive Salonga.
Sa mga gilid-gilid.
Checkered, checkered.